Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss how exactly the packets looks like in TCP/IP model. So now we are already captured some packets by using Wireshark tool, and there will be no difference in functionality of OSI and TCP/IP reference model. The only basic difference in between these two models is the only representation of the layers. The application, presentation, and session layers of OSI model combinedly together called as one single application layer in the TCP/IP model. So these all packets are in form of TCP/IP model. So I have captured some traffic, and in that we are seeing the DNS query packet. So now we are analyzing the DNS query packet. So this is the DNS query packet data, and this is the application layer, this is the transport layer, this is internet layer, this is data link layer, and this is the physical layer. Okay, so whenever a user requests a website by using URL, so the application tells the operating system that he cannot find the website just based on the just based on the name. So he needs an IP address. So for that, the operating system will generate a DNS request packet, and that packet will look like this, and it will have this the data, exact data what I am showing, what we are seeing from this Wireshark packet capture tool. So this is the data the DNS request packet will have. So in application layer, it will have a query related to find out the IP address of www.youtube.com. Okay, so this is the query packet, and this it is having the query related to this website, youtube.com website URL. So for this, he is requesting the IP address. And in transport layer, it will have the source and destination port of the devices. As we can see, the source port will be any random port which is allotted by a device, source device, and the destination port will be the 53 only, because the DNS server will respond only on the port number 53, and DNS service uses the port number 53. And in internet layer, the source and destination IP address of the machines will be added. Both the IP addresses are provided by my ISP service provider only, and this source IP address will be this IP address of the machine through which we are requesting the DNS packet. And destination IP address is the IP address of the DNS server which is provided by the ISP service provider. And in data link layer, the source and destination MAC of the machines will be added. Source MAC will be the MAC address of the machine which is requesting the DNS query, and the destination MAC address is the MAC address of the DNS server. And in frame, the entire data will be represented in form of binaries, either 0 and 1s, and it will be transmitted in form of voltage or frequency, or in form of light, depend on the how we are connected with the internet. Okay, so for this request, the DNS will reply with the response packet. So response packet will have same 5 layers as application layer, transport layer, internet layer, and data link and physical layer. So in application layer, the data, the answer for the query will be there. As we can see, we requested query related to this website. So the DNS server provided the answer for that query. Like there's many IP addresses are available for the youtube.com website. So we can access the youtube.com by using these many IPs. Okay, so application layer will have the data related to queries. After this, in transport layer, we can see the source and destination port of the packet. As this packet is the response packet from the DNS server, so the source port will be the 53 and destination port will be the port number which is generated, which was the source port by the DNS query packet. In DNS query packet, it is the source port uh, at the time of DNS query packet, and this is the destination port, that is only the destination port when the response packet was sent from the DNS server. So this is the port number of the requested machine. Okay. Internet layer, the source and destination IP address will be added. Source IP address is the IP address of the DNS server, because it is the machine which is responding the uh, query, which is responding for the query. And destination IP address is the IP address of the machine which is requested the DNS request. And in the physical layer, sorry, in Ethernet layer, data link layer, the source and destination MAC addresses of the source machine, which is the DNS server, will be added, and the destination will be the machine to which the data is flowing. And in frame, the entire data will be in form of either voltage or frequency if the device is connected to the by Wi-Fi, and the data will be transmitted into form of light if the device is connected through optical fiber. So this is how the packets looks like in real life, and how TCP/IP model works in real time. So this is the request and this is the response packet. So that's all about the DNS packets works in real time, or TCP/IP model how works in real time. Thank you.